Burger ripping over Skelley lumber on the 4th of July. I'm out in the field here. She looks kind of like the naked gardener lady. She has a bad case of poison ivy. But I'm going to try to just do this whole field in one video. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to be here all day. They're going to cut up through here. That's the one with, look like they spray oil on the road. For sale that. I would like to see the price he's got on that one. Beautiful truck here. This 64,000. No, that's a price. Phone number. This is a cutie. Yeah, just make my way up through here real quick. It's that big hickory tree. Yeah, pretty awesome show cars over here. Somebody has a Honda Ridgeline over there. S10, a clean 100 truck. A split bumper. 73. A car with it looks like a snowmobile trailer with a crazy wheel. Hi. Great, thanks. Here's a Best of Show winner car here. Seen it up at the lake a couple years ago. A fire truck over there. And then the owners got a little row of tents up through here. How they have it organized. The cars, and then pop-up tents, I'll call them. Here's my friend's car. He's not here though. I was just talking to the guy across the street at an old bowling alley, and that's his cousin, so. Really having a good time today. That wild colored Camaro, we seen that up at Marion the other day. That was Friday night. I've been going to car shows Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and Thursday. So, we'll look at this. More trucks here. I thought here's my neighbor.
Alright, I want to bring your attention to
beautiful mock. Have we seen this? So the zoo actually called off their car show last year.
Everyone would want one.
They called it at the last minute.
It's being raffled off. Just show us his registration.
Here's the black. Everyone had a car like this in the 70s. A Divco. I think I seen where one of the Divco options was a 38 horsepower engine, a Prowler in silver.
Where else are you going to buy a beautiful toolbox?
That's a T-Bird. Yeah. Then Mercury had the Cougar. Stuttgart, Germany, with a pop-up fin, Boxster.
I don't know how much it is at the moment, but we probably will try to get that number and give you an idea how much is in that 50/50. But we're really trying to raise enough money that we can help someone out both ways.
Here's one of my subscribers' trucks.
And
from towards Springfield, I think.
So keep that in mind. Don't forget to visit the Vietnam Wall over there on the south end of out there by the road. So that's the southeast. corner there.
They were giving away gas cards a minute ago.
Display.
Free gas.
Means a lot. Some of you don't know what it is.
Beautiful emerald green.
No, it's part of our
Judge. Goat.
part of our protection, it's part of our service, and fought for us, gave you
And then another flash from the late 70s over here.
check out that.
The silver one. There was a blue one, a yellow one, brown,
World display next to the
and another. Several of them in town. We want to look at this. It's a Bronco-looking International Scout. Or is it a Bronco? I'm sorry. It's a Scout. By the Corman Jigia.
Door prizes. Some great door prizes there.
Is that roll bar that other guy was building?
National Bank of Dirt Road down in Springfield.
It's got that crazy billet and LED front end on it. 35, 12, 50, 20s.
Texas Roadhouse.
Denims.
Home Depot.
Has the original engine type.
Springfield. And then Wilbur Mustard. A lot of people know Wilbur Mustard. Springfield.
78.
Alabama Tubes in Springfield.
Has the hood that flips this way.
Alderman Barn Museum is in Tip City. Alderman Barn Museum. They donate. Carbright.
I like the paint. I like the truck. I like the mirrors.
Needs,
I like the front end. I don't know about the tires.
car products. And I see there's some sitting
But
over
what are you
there.
going to do?
Also, Woodruff Farms.
I like the interior.
Your beef and fun and neat.
And I should like it. I could jump in there and take off, couldn't I?
Go this and that.
Because I think
Cedar Hill Farms.
I think it could be a six-figure truck.
Takes care of
Because I seen a Bronco that was $250,000
Springfield.
up at Auburn last year. I think actually it was $500,000.
It's in Columbus, Ohio.
And I had a Bronco, but
And Rush Truck in Springfield.
I would about guarantee he has over 6 figures in the vehicle.
Go there. See what they got.
If he built it himself, I mean, everything. I don't see how you could get into something like that for less, unless you was getting a bargain.
Your gas card.
It's that nice, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gas card.
And I didn't see the Willys, the red one with the butterfly hood and all. He's coming second last year here.
Check those out.
And it is a car show, so you wouldn't expect a truck to win.
I think that's
What's his face? I forget.
money.
So we made it across here, and I'm going to call it a film. And thanks for watching, everyone. Burgard Rippy, Skelley Lumber
You can't go hungry here.
Car Show on the 4th of July shoot party. Oh my gosh.
So don't forget, Big Mac Toolbox. Tool chest over there.
And another dog.
We'll need
A
to
long-haired one.
need to have you over.
Almost looks like an Irish setter, but black.
Please help us out and take home the toolbox.
They're giving away a Mac toolbox right now. So, thanks again.